What's going on, cave dwellers? Howdy, howdy, howdy. We are here at Camaro Nationals in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. It's about halfway through the day already. There's a lot of cars. Some cars already did leave, but it's Friday, and we're going to take you around the show field and show you some of the cars that are here. We got Tony in the back.
Back from the dead.
Back from the dead, from her experience. We'll go into that another time. And Mama G's on the back, too. She can say hi. And any OCC crowds right here, and we got all the clubs are right near us. But let's go see what is here at NEOCC. Ow, NEOCC. I mean Camaro Nationals in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Let's go. We got some awesome 5th gens and 6th gens here. Oh, look! Check out the Aquas. We got Aqua Babe. Vivid Orange 6th gen from Eastern Camaro. Eastern Michigan Camaro Club. So if you're here at the show and you just want to do display, you do get to park on the lovely grass, which is definitely a lot shorter. A lot cooler than being on the asphalt, that's for sure. And these are all the club tents. You got Lehigh Valley Camaro Club. You got South Jersey Camaro Club. You got New York 5th gen, New York 3rd gen here as well. And this big white tent up front to our right here is the judging tent. And cars to the right.
Yep, I did. Okay.
We'll start with the first line. A lot of cars did leave already. It's later in the day. But we got some 1st gens, which are super cool. Every generation of Camaro is here. Another 1st gen. Then we got Gemma, one of our cave dwellers. We did sign her car. And Neil's 6th gen LT1, the track beast. We do not own the rights to this music, by the way. 4th gen. We're coming up on Onyx, babe. Onyx. We brought the 5th gens out from the cave. Check out Onyx. And Shamrock. There's some really cool theme cars here this year. Okay, this guy's got a whole town under his 5th gen. Well, 6th gen. That's the 50th anniversary car. That's really cool.
It's got a car show going on.
Yep. Nightfall Gray Metallic. Check out this green ZL1 1LE here. It's a nice little wrap. And then we got New York 5th and 3rd gen to the right. You see these cars, babe? Look at that. Look at that mural. That's cool. Bloodline edition, or that is a Redline edition 6th gen. Faster for y'all.
Oh, they got a McDonald's, babe. And a Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Really?
Hey, stop it. I'm going to go like...
That's so cool. They got a McDonald's.
And a KFC.
Kentucky Fried Chicken. And there's Camaros all over.
On a park.
Camaro 50 trailer. 50 years of our beloved Camaro.
because this is a 50th edition Camaro.
And we are celebrating 60 years here at Carlisle. Oh, not Carlisle. Here at Camaro Nationals. Yeah? That's awesome. Oh, that one? That's super cool. I might have to do an interview with this guy.
Nice. All right, well, we hopped out of the cart and just left it there, so...
We did.
Go
We
back
left
to
the cart right in the middle. Let's get back on the cart. That is so cool.
Thank you.
I wish McDonald's still looked like that. That was really cool.
Like a Hot Wheels setup. We got Kratos. Lawrence owns that. Love me some Lawrence.
'16 2SS Stormtrooper. This is Keith's Synergy.
Morgan have it.
There's the color we want, babe. Shadow gray.
Oh, we got it. In your package, are there voting sheets?
I don't know. Probably.
If not, we got to stop by the tent and pick some up. So we can go to his car.
Dragon.
Hey,
So
it's
father and
father-son
son.
team.
Yeah.
He tried to get as close as possible to the color. Is that Le Mans blue? Marina blue with white hockey stripes.
Phantom.
American Bride. And Bumblebee, babe. It's Bumblebee. Really? Second gens. There's some really nice cars here, guys. Definitely worth the trip. Two more cars tomorrow. Trans Am.
It's beautiful. That is a beautiful airbrush
job, it really is. Good. There you go. Next to the New York crew.
Nick.
All right, Camaro kid needs to get a flag.
Definitely. And upstate.
I Camaro stand in the garage.
Yeah. All right. Hold on to your hats. It's gonna be Bobby's new home for a year. at the Camaro Cave. Yeah, until next Camaro Nationals. Let's see who else is gonna win it. It was a plot against us, babe. Yeah, Bobby's Facebook is gonna be the craziest it's ever been. Every day.
There's no doubt about it.
Bobby! Faithful. We are here in Morgantown, Pennsylvania, as always.
Almost the last one.
Almost the last to leave. There's actually a Panther here, convertible, and a red Jewel all the way down at the end. But we're close. We're close. We're normally one of the last people to leave, so we just wanted to come on here and thank everybody who made Camaro Nationals such a huge success. All the clubs. All the volunteers, over 100 volunteers for the show.
Everybody who bought their Camaros.
There's that.
And their Firebirds.
What was the final total? It was 650 cars. About 650 Camaros. Live auction raised over $11,000, so that was really cool. And people went home happy. Some people went home a little unhappy for winning trophies and judging their cars, but the weather held out all day Friday. Hopefully you guys can see in the videos and pictures we've been posting. We adopted a child, apparently.
He's in the front seat.
He's in the front seat. Yep, all strapped in. Bobby Banana's coming home with the Camaro Cave, so we're super stoked
So the
about that.
dwellers that were like speaking that into fruition, you got your wish. Thanks.
The plot against us. But you guys are in for it because we're going to have an awesome year with Bobby, and you thought we posted a lot, and now, just you wait. So, again, thanks to everyone who made Camaro Nationals such a success, and to people that did all the cooking and all the shopping for the food, under the tents, everyone who spent time making Jello shots and bringing those for everybody, and just having an awesome time. But at the end of the day, even though we came with the cars, it's all about the people, and it wouldn't be possible without our Camry, our Camaro family. So thank each and every one of you, and we can't wait to do it again next year. And we'll see you guys at Camaro
Nationals.
That's where we are right now.
Oh,
We'll see you guys at NEOCC Fall Classic.
Oh, I thought you said next year.
Oh, see?
Not next year.
This woman.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Oh,
But,
we
what?
have to go check out.
We do have to go check out. Oh, that's right.
Guess we can't leave yet.
Can't leave yet. But we'll see you guys on the road, or catch us every Wednesday night on the Camaro Cave, on our YouTube channel, and we look forward to seeing you there as well.
Drive safe.
Have a good one, guys. Drive safe. Wear your seatbelts, and
Keep the faith.
yes, indeed. Let's go.